What's up, guys? Another video on Animal Company, and a new update. And I just found a glitch. How you grab a specific item that's floating, if you're floating, do not grab it, because I got a recording too. And then if you grab it and you get kicked, if you ever read item with you, it's gone. It's gone.
If you want to crash the server, yourself, you can. So you have to put this on another one of these. Pretend this is this. So grab this and put this part onto that. And if that grappling hook with the item I'm currently holding in this hand, then it would crash. Your game,
Sorry, y'all.
and whoever touches it, it would crash.
Okay.
Yeah, so just don't grab
if
the
you guys,
yellow floating
just
thing.
don't do that, please. Don't do that.
But grab the arms, though. Grab the arms. They're really fun.
Okay, guys, so let's go and start. There's a new crafting update, and there's that thing over there, which is a winter fox that I might get, guys. I might get, but I don't know if I should.
My biggest question is, why isn't there any snow yet? Like, there's a winter fox, but why is there no snow?
I know. You could at least give us snow.
For
The
real.
actual snow update is coming out December
Actually, I
16th.
might buy this. Not gonna lie, I might buy Freddy.
Freddy.
Freddy Fazbear.
Oh. What is this? I heard about this loadout.
Yo, can you buy me the left arm?
Yo, wait, what? I think I'm in this guy. No. Like, what?
Yeah.
Yo.
Sorry, bro, I'm already doing it. Sorry, bro.
Special.
What's up, random kids?
Okay, I'm gonna crash the server, guys. Sorry. I just feel like it.
B30, like always.
Okay, touch him. Grab it.
No, I'm not grabbing nothing.
Dang it. You have to time it.
Oh.
Oh, his game's gone.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Hello.
Hello, guys.
So good.
Hey, bro,
Bro,
grab that.
guys.
Grab these right here. See these? Grab these. Like on the ground, like he's holding.
Grab it.
He's
What
holding.
the hell did they do?
He's holding. He's holding.
Yo, what the hell did he do?
He's holding.
Yo, what the... Bro, my headset might be broken, bro. What the hell did he do, bro? He just had to crash the server. No. Where did everyone go? Yeah, I think there's a game crash because of this kid. What is this? No.
Bro, what'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
No, my game crashed when I held those. Bro.
What?
Why?
I do
Okay,
it.
you could take goop, joysticks, inverted joysticks, metal ball.
Don't do it again, bro.
Ready?
No.
No, bro, stop.
When it
Oh, yeah,
disappears, you're
game
cooked.
crashed.
When it disappears, you're cooked.
Metal plate. When it disappears?
And when it disappears, you try to get far away because I don't think it'll detect you.
Aiden, join the call. Aiden, where are you? I'm scared.
He just crashed it again, bro. What? I charged it. Bro, I'm so good. Let me call him. I know he keeps crashing the game, so let's join a code. Let's join a different code. Okay. Okay, be secure. I heard that. Was that your dad who said 6-7? B67. B67. 6-7. Do you know the 6-7 meme? So 6-7 meme died and then it came back. 6-7! Join the code being join the code. Yeah. Join the code already. We're gonna redo it.